Here's how to find and copy your YouTube channel URL. Go to youtube.com, click your profile picture in the top right and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click Customization on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see the channel URL field, click the copy icon next to it, and your full channel URL is copied to your clipboard instantly. This is your permanent channel link. You can share it in your social media bios, email signatures, business cards, or anywhere else you want people to find your channel. Anyone who clicks it goes straight to your YouTube channel page. A tip: if you want a cleaner custom URL instead of the default random string, go to the Basic Info tab inside Customization. If your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, you will see an option to set a custom handle, which gives you a much shorter and more memorable link like youtube.com/@yourchannel. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.